actor turned politician Vijay's party, Tamilaga Vettri Kazhagam, has firmly ruled out any alliance with the BJP, saying it will not compromise on ideology despite what it calls growing pressure from the saffron party. TVK leaders said Vijay has repeatedly made it clear that his party will not align with the BJP due to ideological differences. He has also ruled out an alliance with the All India Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. Speaking on the issue, TVK General Secretary Arun Raj alleged that pressure was applied on Vijay in several ways. He claimed that even a CBI inquiry and delays affecting Vijay's film Jananayagan were part of this pressure. Vijay had earlier appeared before the CBI in Delhi on January 21st in connection with the Karur stampede case, which claimed 41 lives. Arun Raj referred to Vijay's speech at a party event in Mahabalipuram, where the actor-politician ruled out any alliance with what he called communal forces. Arun Raj also took a swipe at ruling Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, saying it aligns with Desiya Murpokku Dravida Kazhagam, reflecting the growing public support for TVK. With Tamil Nadu Assembly elections approaching, the political battle lines are clearly drawn. The contest is expected mainly between the DMK-led alliance, which includes the Congress and DMDK, and the AIADMK-led NDA, which includes the BJP and PMK. TVK, meanwhile, is positioning itself as a new force, insisting it will chart an independent political path without alliance driven by pressure.